Hello everyone, I'm Jyotiprakash Mohanty, your SSC Monk. I hope you guys have watched my classes. Yeah, it is complete surprise that I came up with face video because of two reasons. First, we hit 25K, but it is more than that. I'm thanking all of you for being such an amazing younger brothers and sisters, giving so much love to us. But it is more about announcing two major important things. First is SSC Monk 2.0, how it is going to transform your preparation journey. It is not about another channel or any other thing. It is more about how within a year you can get a job. Second is you can say one of our dream project as a team that we always wanted to give more to the society. What all these things? Let me tell you in detail. So this will be a short and quick video, but before I start, I want to promise one thing that this video is not to distract you. And coming with face video, the intention is simple because I wanted this message to be delivered in person so that you can resonate what I am actually trying to work for all of you. So the face video won't be a very common or repeated thing because I feel like it is a distraction. So yes, this is my promise. As usual, we won't distract you. This has been our motto. And if I can remember the journey we started in Jan 2025, it was all about that because I am a guy who come from Odisha, from a very lower middle class family, and I have planned my way through different means and things. But the most important part was when I started the preparation for competitive examination journey. I had also faced the issue of language because in Odisha also Hindi was not that frequently used and all. But I I had not faced it in a very you would say like the way other southern part of India students face. I mean, it was normal for me because I had a career in corporate, then I get back to government job. So that's a complete different story. But I always wanted, let's do something for the students who are from vernacular medium, like me, from Odia, Bengali, Hindi, or like me, Odia, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada, Malayali, Northern East language students. So that is how this SSC Monk channel came into the picture. We thought if others are not working for them, then who is there to provide them the impactful material, the material which has the quality? And that's how all these things came into the picture. And you have been witnessing it. Within a year, we have given more than 70 plus selections. And see, channel like us who is working for a community where we have to be like reach out to you guys and let you know that yes, we are teaching in English. It is quite tough. The journey has been quite tough because we just hit 25K. So we do not have a huge student base, and with 25K very few students get attached with us, get understand what we are creating, why we are creating this, and when they follow us they get the selection. Okay, so that was the best part of the journey, your comments, your love, your support, your selection. But we want it to be more than all this, trust me. And I have been personally struggling with one of the most important part that I always get these messages from all of you guys, sir. uh, I have been preparing for 1 or 2 years. I'm learning mathematics from you. I'm reading some other subjects from somewhere else. I have prepared 2 years, 3 years. Now what? When I will get selected, what is going wrong? So I think that is a very big problem, but we are working for a very smaller thing. The preparation was quite narrow, quite small, but the problem was quite large. So it was not fulfilling the demand of an individual, right? And also I had a serious issue with the female students who were facing constant harass. I won't say it as a harass, but yes, it is a very traumatic thing that every time I had a conversation with my female student, they are so young and they say, brother or sir, my family has given me a deadline. If you are not getting the job this year, then you are getting married of next year. And many students are there who has kids and they are preparing and they are getting barely 2 hours. So I mean, I understand the need, I understand the passion all of you had for government examination, but the way we are preparing it is wrong. So I just want to change it. So SSC Monk 2.0 is all about that. It is not another YouTube channel. It is about if you are entering SSC Monk system, This is a system I am building. On the day one, you are entering the system. 365 days you are giving yourself into the system. On 365th days you are exiting the system with one government job. Now the government job can be in SSC, railway, banking, or any state specific examination. Now why am I telling you this? Because I have been analyzing the syllabus of more than, 30-40 examinations at a time, and I witnessed it. And when we discussed this throughout the team, we understood that with one preparation, if we meticulously design a system which won't be a, I mean, a, it won't be a burden for all of you, but yes, with that curriculum, with that design, you can prepare well and you can excel in SSC, you can excel in banking, you can excel in other competitive examination that is, conducted in your, what would I say, states also. So that is the whole idea behind this SSC Monk 2.0. That is the first and foremost thing, that yes, we are building a system. You will get all the information where this thing will for sure happen. And this is sort of my passion project, or you can say this is what I started with this journey, to give you selection, not to be famous. Trust me, I'm not that guy. Otherwise, I would have, come with face video from the day one, doing all sort of brainless thing. I am not that individual. You have seen me uh, through my contents, through my messages, through my, voice recordings, or through any Telegram session. I just believe in my work. I think if I do my work honestly, students will understand it, and you have understood it, and that's how you get the selection. But now I think I should be working towards a solving a bigger problem. So this is what it is. Now the second part is, I mean, when I come from a background where I have never seen my parents earning 5 digit salary, and see, I mean, I'm not glorifying it. I mean, many people are there, they glorify their, garibi or the poor thing. No, that's okay. I feel at a certain point of time when I was a teenager, I felt like it was a shame for me. I do not feel it now because I am someone who has worked in corporate, then in government organization, and I have hit 6 digit monthly salary. So I have seen 6 digit salary every month. So I know what it is and I know the potential I have. So I don't care for that. Trust me on this. I mean, there is no glory on that. But why I am saying you this? Because I want, I mean, not no, not all the students, but I want majority of the student to be self-independent in terms of financially. So let's say due to any problem, you started with a journey, or you are not studying from us, or you are just studying one or two chapters from us, or you are not in our system, then you are preparing for SSC examination, but you are not able to crack it. So then what? How long you should be preparing? So for that, we have planned, we will build a skilled community. So what does this skill community means? We will help you with getting corporate ready skills, because I come from a corporate background where I was a senior manager. So I understand what is required, the Excels, the PPTs, the tally things, other things like, communication, many things will be there. It will be a huge thing if I discuss all this now. But these corporate ready things will be help you getting a small job while preparing. Let's say you have spent 2 years while preparing and you are not getting any job. So through that, skilled, curriculum, you get something, you get a job of 15,000 or 10,000 or 20,000. You work in that job without a lot of pressure, and then you work towards this, SSC, railway, whatever is your dream post. Because I do not want all of you to ask for money from your parents. So this is my dream project. I am not sure when I'm starting this journey, like the SSC Monk, I was not sure how many students will follow us, what will happen, and I was not bothered about it. So I started, and we are here. So we will be starting this journey. Yes, details will come, and whenever it is required, I will come with face and I will, answer all your queries, or say all the information, share all the information with all of you guys. But until then, this has been our vision. This has been our dream project, and I was fortunate enough to take this opportunity to share with all of you guys. So it will be more than, you are just preparing randomly. I mean, I will be completely honest. It will be more than you are just brainlessly doing everything possible. You are getting distracted by something. No, I just want you to be a better individual, a better aspirant. That's it. So that's what we are trying to figure out and provide to all of you guys. Yes, we need all of your support. We need all of your, love, because that, a single comment of yours, that thank you sir for making a class in English medium, or thank you sir, this has been an amazing class, this has improved my score, or all these things works as a fuel for us, and we are motivated because of all these things, all your support. So yes, we aspire to become good, we aspire to become great, but at the same time we are more concerned about what we are creating rather than how our video looks like, what are the transition we have put out in the video, how the editing works. Okay, so if you think the vision I have come up with, the whole team is working behind, is actually worthy as a student, just think about it, then drop a comment to let me understand, yes, that is the need of the hour, that I am not only analyzing this, you are also, in the same course of life that you need that. If you comment 2.0, I'll understand that yes, one student, 365 days, one job, that's for sure, and a skilled community I will be building, where we will be helping you with getting a job if you are struggling for 2 to 3 years in SSC or in any competitive examination field. So that's all. I'm not sure how I sounded, whether I was, sounding like a politician or influencer, but I have been true to myself, and I mean, I always say this, that I'm your elder brother. So that's it. You can uh, analyze it anyway, but I will be there. That's the only thing. Whoever is facing what, I do not know. I also do not know how much problem of yours I can solve, but yes, I am pretty sure that whatever I will work, I will solve it, and whatever I commit, I deliver it. So yeah, as always, from the last 1.5 year, I have been your elder brother. Now will also I will be your elder brother, a teacher, your elder brother, and a mentor. I will guide you to get selected within 1 year with SSC Monk 2.0 system. So that's it. If you like, comment 2.0, and we will see in the next class. That's it. Bye bye. Take care.